Hello guys, welcome to EduKarthik, and today we are going to start with our part 2 of exercise 10.1. So in previous two videos, first of all in first video I have done the introduction to this chapter Heron's formula, and in second video I have done two of the questions of this exercise. Now in this third part, what we'll do? We'll do the further questions of this exercise. So first of all, if you have not done the basics of Heron's formula, you won't be able to do this exercise. So you must know the basics. Let's start. So it is given that there is a wall of triangular shape, and in this wall it is written that keep the park green and clean. Basically this wall is placed inside a park and it is to be painted. We have to find out what is the area to be painted. So simply we'll have to find the area. So the sides are 11 meter, 6 meter and 15 meter. Now perimeter finding the perimeter is always our first step. So perimeter will be 11 plus 6 plus 15, which is 32 meters. So S, which is semi-perimeter, it is perimeter divided by 2 means 32 by 2, which is 16 meters. Now area equals to root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now S minus A, first of all we'll write S, which is 16 into S minus A, 16 minus A, which is 11, means 5, into 16 minus 6, which is 10, into 16 minus 15, which is 1. Now let's check the values. First of all, 16 as it is, 11 minus 16 minus 11, 5, 16 minus 6, 10, 16 minus 15, 1. Yes, correct. Now 16 we can write as 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 into 5 will come as it is. Oh wait, let me increase the size. 4 into 4 into 5 into 5 into 2. How? See, 4 into 4 means 16. 16 can be written as 4 into 4. 5 can be written as it is. 10 can be written as 5 into 2, and there is no meaning of writing 1. Therefore, we can say that 4 will come outside, 5 will come outside, and root 2 will remain inside, which will be 5 for the 20 root 2 meter square. This is our answer. Means we'll write the statement, hence the area to be painted is 20 root 2 meters square. Hence the area to be painted is 20 root 2 meters square. Now let's further come to our next question. Now in our next question, here it is given that there is a triangle whose perimeter is 42 centimeters. Perimeter equal to 42 meter. Wait, let me check. It is centimeter, not meter. Centimeter. So this would also be centimeter. Centimeter. This also centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area. What would we do in the first step? We'll find the third side. Perimeter equals to 10 plus 18 plus x. Let this side be x. So perimeter is 42. 42 equals to 10 plus 18, which is 10 plus 18 is 28 plus x. X would be 14 centimeter. So this third side would be 14 centimeter. Okay. Now we find S. S equals to 42 upon 2, hence 21 centimeter. Now what would be the area? Area equals to root. First of all, we'll put root. S is 21. 21 into 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10 is 11 into 21 minus 18, which is 3, into 21 minus third side, which is 14. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 7. So we can write it as 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 7 into 3 into 11 into 3 will come as it is, and 7 also as it is. So let's make pairs. 7, 7 and 3, 3 make a pair. But this 11 is left alone. It has no pair. So sad. Now let's see. 7 will come out and 3 will also come out, and root 11. 7, 3, 20. 1 root 11 centimeter square. This will be our area. Now let's come to the next question. So now in this next question, it is given that there is a triangle whose sides ratio is 12 is to 17 is to 25. So now over here it is also given that we have to find out the sides and then find out the area. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so also one thing is given, perimeter. Perimeter is 540 centimeter. So now let these sides be 12x, 17x and 25. Let the sides be 12x, 17x and 25x. Let the sides be 12x, 17x and 25x. Okay. Now perimeter equals to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. 540 centimeter. It is given, no? So 540 is equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x is 54x. So 54x. Therefore, x equals to 540 divided by 54. X equals to 10. Therefore, sides equal to 12x. The sides will be 120, 170 and 250. 120, 170 and 250. Okay. Now let's come. Now we'll find the area. Equals to S. First of all, let's see S. So the perimeter is 540. S equals to 540 divided by 2. 54 divided by 2 is 270. So area will be 270 into 270 minus 120 is 120. it will be 150 into 270 minus 170 is 100 and 270 minus 250 is 20. So now I will have to sit and continue. 270 can be written as 9, wait, 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, into 3 into 5 into 2. And 150 can be written as 5 into 3 into, 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. Let's continue. 100 can be written as 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 20 can be written as 2 into 5 into 2. Okay. Now let's make the pairs. 3 3 1 pair, 3 3 pair, 10 10, 5 5, 2 2. Okay. What is left? Yes, 5 5 and 2. So all of them have a pair. Means let's count this 3 and 3. 3 into 3 into. Now this done, this done, this done, and this also done. So we'll take pair of 2, pair of 2. 2 into 2. Now pair of 2 is taken. 3 3 3 and this 2 cancel, 3 cancel. Now we'll take 5 1 pair and 5 2 pair into 5 into 5. Okay, now which pair would we take? So 10 into 10 into 10 because there is one pair. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this one. Okay, so now 3 3 the 9, 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36, 36 into 25 into 36 into 10. So 36 25 6 5. Wait, let's calculate in a good way. So 10 5 are 50, 50 250, 250 500, 1000, 3000, 9000. 9000. Am I correct? Let's check. So we'll check our answer. Yes, our answer is correct. As you all can see, 9000 centimeter square. Now we'll come to the last question of the exercise. Now this is the last question of the whole chapter. So congrats. Now let's see. Here it is given that there is a triangle, an isosceles triangle, whose perimeter is 30 centimeter. Okay, one side is given 12. It is isosceles. So one of equal sides of triangle equals to 12 centimeter. Other sides equals to 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. Wait, other side would be 30 minus 12 minus 12. Okay, minus 12 plus 12. Now what would we do? Now it would be 30 minus 12, which is 6 centimeter. This would be our third side. So how have we done this? So one of the equal sides of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Means if this is 12, this would be also 12. So 12, which is 24. So 30 minus 24 would be 6 centimeter, which is the last side. Now F would be 30 divided by 2, means 15 centimeter square. Now area equals to root of S, which is 15 into 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3 into 3 into 15 minus 6, 7 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which is 9. Means 15 root of 15 15 will remain as it is, pair. So into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So there are 2 pairs getting formed. Hence we can say that it would be 3 into 3 root 15. 3 into 3 is what? Tell me. It would be 9. Yes. 9 root 15 centimeter square. This would be our answer. Okay. So this was a very easy question. Now this chapter is totally completed. In next video I'll start with the next chapter. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next video.